wait, you're not following us.
Hey, Holly, I wanted to get with you and just kind of find out what your story was and why did you join the Legacy Builders program?
Oh, God.
It's okay.
I have had so many hardships throughout my life for the past, sadly, 40 years. Built my life up after abusive relationships, raised my children on my own, gained some success, but fell into another trap, feeling I didn't have my own confidence and had to lean on other people, men and so forth, that one embezzled almost $500,000 from me, and it put me back behind once again. I just felt like the cloud followed me throughout my entire life. I finally found a man that I really loved and known for years. Didn't like him back as a kid, but we connected. But he also was a very honest man, didn't make a lot of money. We moved to Florida to start over, and unfortunately sadly took care of my mother-in-law and went through battles after she passed away with heirs. They don't go after taking care of the parents, but they're always there when they want the inheritance. It was heartbreaking. Had to go back to work, got a health disease, couldn't stand on my feet long, and began to work once again. I had to quit, had to find something from home, heard other people talk about this program, what was a blueprint. I didn't even know what a blueprint was, and didn't have the money. I had to take out my credit card to purchase it, and my husband, believing in me, at 75, is now back working again, and I need to build a life so he doesn't have to work, because he believes in me and I believe in this blueprint, and I know it'll work. I just feel it and I know it, and I don't want to struggle ever again. I want to live a life on my terms and be able to spend time with my family that lives in 5 different states, and I can't afford to visit them. Couldn't even spend time for Christmas with them. So I found this blueprint and it's working. So I believe in it, and that's how I'm going to build my life again on my own 2 feet and get my husband back home so he can fully retire where he belongs, at home with me.
Great.
That's
Thank
why.
you so much. That was a great story, Holly.
That
So you guys, there's so many ways that so many people have joined this Legacy Builder program for so many different reasons.
It's
you know,
amazing.
that's just 2, and there's 100 of us here today.
And that's only
Mastermind.
half of
Yeah,
us.
there's 50,000 people in the community.
Right.
So
And
no matter what your reason is, this is legit. This is scary, but this is a proven system to teach you how to make money. But what people don't realize is that they've been brought up to take the road that, you know, working for someone else, doing a job like that. But there is a road less traveled, and that is what we're on right here. And like I said, it's not easy, but it's a proven blueprint that you're given exactly how to do it. And we both, you know, we have legitimate, great reasons for why we've joined it, and I'm sure you do too.
And I wanted to mention one other thing is, most people don't understand what a blueprint is. However, what's your blueprint? Do you work every day? Are you struggling, having to bring a calculator to the supermarket because you don't have enough money, or you're worried about your checking account, or working 60 plus hours a week and losing memories with your family? That's why this blueprint has shown me a path that I believe in myself and the system that has created an opportunity that I can build a life of peace, love, harmony, and financial stability, and have the time to spend with my family. So that's why I joined, and I love it. And we're learning so much together.
Yeah. So if this is resonating with you at all, just please leave a comment. It can be anything, and we'll get back to you and show you exactly how you can be on this path as well.
Exactly.